Hi, everyone. Welcome back to your English coach. Today, let's talk about something we all need: encouragement.
Yeah, that quiet voice that says, keep going, even when your English feels slow or your confidence disappears.
You know that moment when you open your mouth to speak, but suddenly your brain goes blank?
Oh, yes. You know what's worse? That little voice inside saying, you're not good enough.
Exactly. But today, we're going to change that voice. We'll learn how to speak kindly to ourselves in English.
That's right. Encouragement isn't just motivation. It's a language, and you can learn to speak it fluently.
Before we begin, if you're new here, hit subscribe and join our warm community of English learners around the world.
All right, let's start with a small scene.
It's Monday morning. The alarm rings. You open your eyes, and your first thought is, I don't want to start.
You drag yourself to the mirror. Your hair's messy, coffee's too strong, and your English notes are on the table.
You promised yourself you'd practice 5 minutes today, but your heart feels heavy.
That's when you need this simple phrase, I'm doing my best, and that's enough.
Repeat after us. I'm doing my best, and that's enough.
It's short but powerful. It reminds you that progress isn't always visible. Sometimes it's just showing up.
When you speak kindly to yourself, your energy changes. The words you say shape the world around you.
Yes, because language isn't only about grammar. It's about the emotions behind the words.
Let's learn a few more phrases for self-encouragement. Ready?
Phrase 1. I can learn step by step.
Say it slowly. Feel it. I can learn step by step.
Notice how it's gentle. It doesn't demand perfection. It accepts your rhythm.
Phrase 2. Mistakes mean I'm learning.
Ah, my favorite one. Because every mistake is a teacher in disguise.
Exactly. Say it again. Mistakes mean I'm learning.
And phrase 3. I'm stronger than yesterday.
That's the growth mindset in one sentence. Each day, even small effort counts.
Charlotte's Vocabulary Spotlight. Today's word is resilient. It means you don't give up easily.
Synonym: strong. Example: she is resilient because she keeps practicing English every day.
Beautiful. Okay, Emily, let's go deeper. How do you encourage yourself when life feels heavy?
I slow down. I breathe. And I say one thing at a time. Sometimes that's enough to begin.
That's powerful. You know, people often wait for motivation, but motivation doesn't come before action.
Yes, it comes after you start. You say one word, then another, and suddenly you feel proud.
Listeners, think about one phrase you can use today to lift yourself up.
Maybe I can try again, or I'm learning something new.
Say it out loud right now. Go on. Your voice has power.
Remember, when you encourage yourself in English, you're not just improving language, you're training your heart.
You're building courage word by word.
All right, let's take a short story break.
Here's a student story. Jesse, one of our listeners, used to be afraid of speaking English at work.
He told us, every time I spoke, my hands shook.
But one day, instead of saying, "I'm terrible," he said, "I'm improving."
That small sentence changed everything. It gave him permission to keep trying.
Now he gives short reports in English confidently, not perfectly, but bravely.
That's the key. Encouragement gives you permission to be imperfect, but growing.
And that's something worth celebrating.
Absolutely. So, next time you feel tired or lost in your English journey, whisper to yourself,
I'm learning. I'm growing. I'm enough.
say it again, slowly, like you mean it.
You'll feel your body relax, your heart steady, your mind ready to learn again.
That's how encouragement works. It doesn't push you, it gently lifts you.
And sometimes that's all we need to start again.
Let's go a little deeper. Encouragement isn't just about nice words. It's about building a new inner voice.
Yeah, the voice that says, I believe in myself, even when the world feels quiet or cold.
Let's picture a simple evening. You're studying alone. The rain hits your window. The city feels far away.
You open your English notebook. The letters blur a little. You feel tired.
Then you say to yourself, I'm here, and that's already progress.
That's a powerful phrase. It means you value effort more than perfection.
Let's practice together. Repeat after me. I'm here, and that's already progress.
Good. Feel the warmth of those words. Encouragement is like a small light in a dark room.
Exactly. And light doesn't need to be loud. It just needs to shine, even softly.
Emily, do you remember Crystal? She's one of our learners from Thailand.
Of course. She used to record her English practice every night, even when she was sleepy.
She told us, sometimes my voice sounds strange, but I remind myself, better strange than silent.
That's beautiful. And it's true. Your first step might not sound perfect, but it's still a step forward.
Let's add a few more English phrases you can use when you feel discouraged.
Phrase 1. It's okay to start small.
Phrase 2. Every word I learn matters.
Phrase 3. I'm not behind. I'm on my journey.
Wow, that last one hits deep. We often compare ourselves too much.
Yes, but your journey has its own timing. Comparing only steals joy.
Charlotte's vocabulary spotlight time. Today's phrase is to lift someone up.
It means to make someone feel happier or more confident.
Synonym, encourage. Example, Emily's words always lift me up when I feel down.
Aw, thanks, Paul.
You're welcome. Okay, now let's do a small speaking practice for our listeners.
We'll say some real-life situations, and you'll answer with an encouraging sentence in English.
Ready? Situation 1. You made a mistake in your English presentation. What do you say?
Pause and say, "It's okay. I'll do better next time."
Great. Situation 2. You forgot a word in conversation. What do you say?
I can describe it in another way.
Perfect. That's a confident way to handle it.
Situation 3. Someone laughs when you speak English. What do you say?
I'm learning, and I'm proud of it.
Yes, that's true courage. Listeners, when you practice like this, you train not only your mouth, but also your mindset.
Exactly. Learning English is emotional. You can't separate language from feelings.
So every time you say an encouraging phrase, you're healing that little fear inside.
Let's take a short moment to breathe.
Inhale deeply, exhale slowly.
Now, say quietly, I'm becoming the person I wanted to be.
That's a promise to yourself, and promises build strength.
Paul, can we share some idioms about encouragement?
Sure. Idiom 1. Keep your chin up. It means don't be sad. Stay positive.
Example, you'll do great next time. Keep your chin up.
Idiom 2. Hang in there. It means don't give up. Keep going.
Like, learning English is tough sometimes, but hang in there.
And idiom 3. You've got this. That's modern and powerful.
It's like saying, I believe you can do it. All right, now for a short mindset tip.
Here's a secret. You don't need big motivation every day. You only need a tiny spark.
Because motivation grows after you act. You say one word, write one line, or watch one lesson.
And that action creates energy. That's how you build daily confidence.
Yes, progress isn't a race, it's a rhythm.
And your rhythm is perfect for you.
So, listeners, what about you? When was the last time you encouraged yourself in English?
Maybe when you said, "Good job, me," after understanding a YouTube video?
Or when you smiled because someone finally understood your English sentence?
Write it in the comments. One small moment of pride.
Sharing your victories inspires others too.
Because we all learn faster when we lift each other up.
That's the power of community, the power of English spoken with kindness.
Let's keep going, friends. You're still here, and that means your heart wants to grow.
That's already something to celebrate. You didn't stop halfway. You're finishing this moment with us in English.
You know, sometimes we think learning should always feel exciting, but the truth is, growth often feels quiet.
Exactly. Like morning light entering your room slowly. You don't notice it at first, but it changes everything.
That's how self-encouragement works too. It's not loud, it's gentle, but it builds deep strength.
Let's do another small reflection exercise. Close your eyes for a few seconds and think about yesterday.
Did you do something kind for yourself? Maybe you rested, smiled, or said one English word aloud.
Whatever it was, whisper now. That was enough.
Beautiful. You see, encouragement is like watering a small seed. It grows only when you do it often.
Exactly. You can't water your plant once a year. You do it every day, just like English practice.
Let's add a few more daily encouragement phrases.
Phrase 1. I'll keep trying until it feels natural.
Phrase 2. Every effort makes me stronger.
Phrase 3. My English is improving more than I think.
These sentences are like vitamins for your confidence. Repeat them often, morning, evening, even on the bus.
And if someone ever says, your English isn't good, just smile and answer, it's better than yesterday.
Yes, that's confidence, not arrogance. It's calm strength.
Charlotte's Vocabulary Spotlight. Today's final word is self-belief.
It means trusting yourself even when others don't. Synonym: confidence.
Example, his self-belief helped him speak English bravely in meetings.
You know, Paul, encouragement is like a bridge between who we are and who we want to be.
Exactly. And English becomes that bridge too, connecting your thoughts to the world.
Let's finish today's episode with one simple truth. Done is better than perfect.
Yes, perfection stops you. Action moves you.
So, when you feel nervous to speak, say this to yourself: I don't need perfect English, I just need courage.
Because courage is the real language everyone understands.
Let's give our listeners one final challenge before we go.
All right, for the next 7 days, talk to yourself in English every morning. Just one short sentence.
Like, I can do this, or I'm proud of myself today.
Do it while brushing your teeth, waiting for the bus, or walking to class.
You'll be amazed how your mood changes when your first words of the day are kind ones.
And remember, language is emotion. The way you talk to yourself shapes the way you talk to others.
Yes, encourage yourself, and you'll naturally encourage others too.
That's how the world changes, one gentle word at a time.
So today, even if you remember just one phrase, let it be this: I'm enough and I'm improving.
Write it in the comments, say it out loud, believe it deep inside.
And if this episode lifted your heart a little, subscribe, share it with a friend, and keep learning with us.
Because every word you speak with courage brings you closer to the confident English speaker you're becoming.
Thank you for spending this time with us today. We're proud of you, truly proud.
Keep going, stay kind to yourself, and remember, you've got this.
See you in the next episode here on Your English Coach.
Take care, everyone. Keep your chin up. Your story's just beginning.